Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Dream House Canvas. As I have already posted on the community that I am going to give this room a makeover. So this was the condition of this room earlier. Actually I was occupied with my exam, so in the meantime this room became a huge mess. So I decided to completely transform the room for the new year. So without further delay, let's get started. First, I changed the curtain of the room, which is the must for a makeover. For this, I am using the sheer white curtains. You can also use the chiffon one. Next, we'll clean the shelf and organize it simply. Now it's time for a DIY. For this I am using 3 cardboard pieces of same size, and now I am going to use some glue to put them together so that it become really strong to bear some weight. Next we'll cover the sides with masking tape to give it a finished look, and then cover it with a white paper. We'll make 4 holes every side on the board and hang it through a cotton rope. I'm using it to hang my small articles, but you can also use it as a bookshelf and put 1 or 2 books on this. It looks really cool and enhance your space. Now it's time for the wall makeover and also another DIY. For this DIY, I write my favorite word smile on a paper, cover it with plastic wrap, and then use a molded clay to make the outline of the word. After it gets dry, it will come out from the plastic and we are going to color it and hang it on the wall. I have buy this wall sticker set from Amazon for rupees 200, and now I am going to use this for my wall makeover. It is really easy to use. You just have to peel the sticker and paste it on the wall. The best part is it come out really nicely. When you are done, you just need to press it and it's ready. I have some extra space behind my bed, So I decided not to do much about this. I'm just cleaning this up and add a plant in it. I left this space as it is because I need to organize some essentials like medicines and laptop bag. For the next DIY, I'm using this tablecloth, which is a round one. I'm going to fix this in a home and it will look like this. Now I'm going to take some pieces of lace of my favorite colors, white and pink. I make a pattern of the laces, one white and one pink. This is the most easy DIY of the video and look much more aesthetic than others. I put around 12 pieces of lace and it's really done. Add a small piece to hang this. I decided to hang this on the blank wall above my bed. We can also style this with some lights. Now it's time to clean this most messed up part of my room, my bookshelf, which I use for everything other than books. I decided not to do much about the bookshelf because it's a different project. But I'm cleaning the front of my desk. That iron net damaged my wall a bit, so I decided to fix it with a white cement. So I just make a paste of white cement with some water and fill the holes with it. It will dry completely in an hour, so we can begin our work after that. If you try to clean the whole room in one day, you will be exhausted. So I decided to put the articles back in the bookshelf after some cleaning and not to do much in it. I decided to place my old DIY in the front shelf. These all DIY are available on my channel. You can check the description box below for the links. The cement gets dry and the damaged wall look much better now. I decided to hang a painting here. Now the next DIY, which is a calendar. For this I am using 2 pieces of a soft wood and now painting it with light brown color. I print out a one-page calendar from Pinterest and the link of this calendar is available in my description box. I just simply paste the sticks on the corners and hang it with a cotton thread. And now I'm hanging this in the side of my bookshelf where I can look at it properly. Now the last thing is this mirror, and I'm just simply using double-sided tape on the side of the mirror. It looks like this. Now I'm using the star light. The link of this light is also available in my description box. I just putting it on the double-sided tape and it looks really good. Now I have this artificial flower vine which is available in local shops and I just hang it here. This is a old fruit crate. I am using it as a table. Now I am covering it with the newspaper. I buy this wool stall from a local market in rupees 120. I cover the crate with it and it looked fantastic. That's it for today's video. The room makeover is done now and it turns out really beautiful, and the wall stickers looking really pretty here. The products I have used in this video is available online and their links is in description box. Also, the DIY I have shown is available on my YouTube channel. Comment down your queries and opinion about this video, and I'll try to answer them all. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is also the Dream House Canvas. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoy the videos and like to see further of it. If you guys like my videos, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel and comment down your favorite DIY. We'll meet again with another idea on next Saturday. तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय.